This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Open the liftgate, then pry open the access panel in the trunk. Remove the desired bulb holder by turning it a quarter turn counterclockwise, then pulling it out of the taillight housing. Pull the bulb straight out of the holder. Insert the new bulb into the holder. Then install the bulb holder into the housing and turn it clockwise until it is secure. Clip the access panel back into place. Then check the operation of the lights.